Clicking the Create Image button will launch Pablo, an intuitive and free online tool for crafting captivating social media visuals. If you opt to upload your own image, it's crucial to ensure it adheres to specific dimensions, precisely 1024 by 512 pixels. Larger images will not resize, instead, they will be cropped, potentially altering the intended composition. Search from over 600K royalty-free images or upload your own image. After discovering the perfect image that resonates with your vision, simply select it with a click, initiating the next phase of your creative journey. To customize your image further, either remove the current background filter entirely or opt for a different one by selecting from the available options. Opt for the None option to gracefully strip away any background filter. Embellish your image with custom text, but exercise restraint to avoid overwhelming it with excessive words. Remember, Facebook may limit the visibility of images laden with too much text. To download your newly crafted image, simply click on the Share and Download button. Proceed by clicking on the Download button, marking the final step. Upon completion of the upload process, the image preview placeholder will display your newly uploaded image.